this festive season, I want to take this opportunity to wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Now, entering into this new year, I want us to grow together, and that is why I want you to subscribe to this channel so that we grow together.
In 2026, your biggest mistake as a developer is thinking your competition is the next guy in the next office or next company. It is not. Your competition is an AI agent sitting somewhere in the cloud, and your opportunity is a remote salary. Hi, my name is Isaac Anane, and in today's video, I'm going to show you the top 5 languages to learn in 2026 to make that jump. Follow me. The global tech market isn't just growing, it is undergoing a structural shift towards artificial intelligence. And so as a junior developer or even a mid-level developer, this is the right moment for you to move from the local salary towards a global remote salary faster than ever by picking up the right stack. According to Jobberman, a mid-level developer in Ghana earns an average of 120,000 Ghana cedis a year. But according to Indeed.com's 2026 benchmark, the global remote engineers are now averaging $147,524. That is 15 times increase in purchasing power without ever leaving your home. The question is, why 2026? Because the junior developer role has evolved. Companies no longer pay you to write basic code. AI does that for free. They pay you to architect systems. We are seeing a talent war. There is a global deficit of about 2 million engineers who actually can build secure AI infrastructure. In Ghana, our 5G rollout and fintech boom are creating a massive local demand for these same skills. If you master the next 5 languages, you are not just a coder, you are an AI orchestrator. Number 1, Python. You knew it was coming. Python is the undisputed king. It is the number 1 language for AI and data science. According to Indeed.com, Python developers earn an average of $115,000 in a year. In 2026, you're not just going to write scripts, you're going to build agentic workflows, programs that can think and execute complex tasks. Learning Python is like getting your tickets to the highest paying remote job in machine learning. Number 2, TypeScript. If Python is the brain, then obviously TypeScript is a skeleton of modern web. Because JavaScript remains the most used language, about 99% of the front end we see are built with JavaScript. But TypeScript is the professional choice because of its types. It acts as guardrails for AI generated code. For an AI to write better code, it needs clear types to follow. And so by 2026, manual JS is going to be for people who are being introduced to JavaScript or into the programming world. And those who are actually writing TypeScript are going to be the earners. According to Indeed.com, React or TypeScript developers command a mid-level rate between $120,000 and $180,000. Number 3, Golang, popularly known as Go. Go developers are ranked among the highest paying developers within the engineering community. According to Indeed.com, Go developers earn an average of $120,000 in a year. Go is known for concurrency. And so if you are building an AI system that needs to handle over 10,000 users all at once, then Go is your guy. We have some local fintechs like Paystack and Flutterwave who rely on Go-like performance to handle millions of transactions. Number 4, Rust. Personally, I love Rust because of its consistency, and it has been voted by the top experts as one of the most consistent languages. One major problem of AI-generated code is that it often has security holes. Rust is memory safe by design, which makes it the top choice for secure AI interactions and blockchain. Rust actually has a small talent pool, and so if you are an engineer or someone who wants to learn Rust, you should be rest assured that in the global market, your skill will be in demand. Number 5, SQL. You can never overlook the basics because in 2026, data is the new oil. SQL is still in the top 3 most requested skill on Indeed.com. You have to know that you can never train an AI model without clean data. Mastering SQL allows you to feed the machine brain correctly. Ghana reportedly records digital financial transactions over $3 billion annually, and data management is massive in this case. Learning these languages is just like 20% of the battle. The 80% lies in the proof of work. And so we need to go beyond building these regular to-do lists and other programs that we build. So you can take up this challenge. Build an AI-powered Momo fraud detector and show the recruiters that you are ready to build production code that actually solves problems. Moving away from earning on the local stage to the global stage is not actually a dream. It is a data-backed strategy. And so this is what I want you to do. Pick your language, master the AI bit of it, and I'll see you at the top.
We have awesome content lined up for this year, and you do not want to miss it. Subscribe now.